Hello dear students of class 3, this is Shashwati Madam and I am going to start with the second part of the chapter Dorothy Meets the Scarecrow from your English literature. So in the previous class we were discussing that a little girl called Dorothy, she was on her way to Emerald City to meet the Great Oz so that he could send her back home in the Kansas City. And on the way, she sees a scarecrow while she was resting, and suddenly she sees that the scarecrow is nodding and winking, and so she was surprised. And then let's see what's happening. So the scarecrow is greeting Dorothy, saying, "Good day." "You didn't just speak, did you?" asked the girl in wonder. "Certainly," answered the scarecrow. "How do you do?" So the girl was very surprised and she said to the scarecrow that, "Did you speak? I don't believe. Really, did you speak?" The scarecrow said, "Yes, certainly, I spoke. How are you?" "I'm pretty well, thank you," replied Dorothy politely. "How do you do?" So Dorothy is also saying politely that yes, she was good. And then she asked the scarecrow how he was. "I'm bored," said the scarecrow. "It is very dull being stuck up here night and day to scare away crows." The scarecrow is saying that it is always stuck up in the field day and night to scare away the crows, and he is feeling very bored. "Can't you get down?" asked Dorothy. "No, this pole is stuck up my back. Please help me get down." Dorothy is asking the scarecrow that can't he get down? Then he's saying, "No, I'm stuck up on this pole and I cannot get down." So Dorothy reached up both arms and lifted the scarecrow off the pole. He was quite light because it was only stuffed with straw. She set him down on the ground. "Thank you very much," said the scarecrow. "I feel much better." Dorothy was so surprised to hear a straw man speak. So Dorothy reached up with both arms and then she lifted the scarecrow off the pole. Pole is a tall bamboo on which the scarecrow was stuck. The scarecrow was quite light because it was only filled with straw, so Dorothy had no problem in lifting the scarecrow, and then she set him down on the ground. The scarecrow thanked her and said that he was now feeling much better after being on the ground. Dorothy was still very surprised to hear that a straw man is speaking. The scarecrow stretched and yawned. "Who are you?" asked the scarecrow, "and where are you going?" The scarecrow lifted his hands, stretched and yawned. After being stuck to the pole for the long time, he was feeling much relaxed now. And then he asked to the girl that who was she and where was she going? "My name is Dorothy," said the girl, "and I'm going to the Emerald City. I'm going to ask the Great Oz to send me back home to Kansas." So the girl is saying that her name was Dorothy and she is going to the Emerald City to ask the Great Oz to send her back to Kansas. "Where is the Emerald City?" said the scarecrow, "and who is Oz?" "Why, don't you know?" she replied in surprise. "No, indeed, I don't know anything. You see, I am stuffed with straw, so I have no brains at all," he answered sadly. The scarecrow is asking Dorothy, "Where is the Emerald City and who is this Oz?" And Dorothy was very surprised when the scarecrow asked this way and said, "Why, don't you know?" Then the scarecrow is saying, "No, I don't know anything. You see, I am stuffed with straw. I don't have a brain also. So I don't know anything." He was very sad. He answered sadly. So now we stop the second part here. Thank you.